Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to IT Insights. Today, we have a compelling topic for all aspiring quality assurance engineers and software engineers in test. We're diving deep into the 7 indispensable skills that will propel you towards excellence in this dynamic field. So, let's buckle up and get started. Skill number 1. Strong understanding of software development. To succeed as a QA engineer or software engineer in test, a solid grasp of software development is paramount. Understanding programming languages, software architecture, and the development lifecycle will empower you to create comprehensive test plans and effectively communicate with developers. You'll be the bridge that ensures the product meets both functional and non-functional requirements. Skill number 2. Proficiency in testing techniques. Testing is at the heart of what we do. Familiarity with various testing techniques like unit, integration, system, and regression testing is crucial. These techniques ensure the software's stability, performance, and security. By mastering these methods, you'll be able to identify defects early and contribute to delivering a high-quality product. Skill number 3. Automation expertise. Automation is the backbone of modern QA. Proficiency in automation tools like Selenium, Appium, or TestNG is essential. Automation allows you to perform repetitive tests swiftly and consistently, leaving more time for exploratory testing. This skill elevates you from a manual tester to a software engineer in test, boosting your efficiency and impact. Skill number 4. Problem-solving and analytical skills. QA engineers encounter complex scenarios regularly. Having sharp problem-solving and analytical skills is non-negotiable. You'll be required to identify root causes of issues, suggest solutions, and optimize testing processes. This skill set not only enhances your troubleshooting capabilities but also contributes to continuous improvement. Skill number 5. Communication and collaboration. Communication is the glue that holds teams together. Being able to articulate defects, propose test strategies, and discuss testing results clearly is essential. Collaboration with developers, designers, and project managers is key to delivering a seamless product. Your ability to bridge gaps and ensure everyone's on the same page is truly invaluable. Skill number 6. Performance and security testing. A well-rounded QA engineer doesn't just focus on functional aspects. Performance and security are equally vital. Proficiency in tools like JUnit for load testing and knowledge of security vulnerabilities is essential. Ensuring the application is robust, scalable, and secure safeguards users and enhances user experience. Skill number 7. Continuous learning and adaptability. The tech landscape evolves rapidly, and as a QA engineer, you must evolve with it. Dedicate yourself to continuous learning. Stay updated on emerging testing methodologies, tools, and trends. Embrace an agile mindset, as QA often adapts to changing requirements. By staying curious and adaptable, you'll remain at the forefront of innovation. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on more tech-related content. Until next time, keep testing, keep innovating, and keep pushing the boundaries of quality in the digital world.